Attention, attention! You are violating the state border of Ukraine.
Дії носять антигромадський характер.
The armed forces of Ukraine on Monday received 44 new kozak-2m1 armored vehicles developed by the Practika company according to the Presidential Office of Ukraine. The delivery ceremony was held as part of ceremonial events on the occasion of the 30th anniversary of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. We restored Ukraine's independence 30 years ago. 30 years ago, forces were born to protect it. This is the Armed Forces of Ukraine. Today is their day. Today is their professional holiday. Today is the 30th anniversary of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. From the bottom of my heart and on behalf of Ukraine, I congratulate you and us on this great day, the President said. The kozak-2m1 is the second generation of local developed mine-resistant ambush-protected, MRAP, armored vehicles. The Ukrainian military characterized the kozak-2m1 as a light tactical wheeled vehicle intended to provide protected, sustained, networked mobility for personnel and payloads. It has a monocoque structure with an integrated special V-shaped hull that provides greater protection against roadside bombs. V-shaped hull helps deflect blasts out and away from the crew, and its armoring can be customized to meet any mission requirement. Produced by Scientific and Production Association, Practika, the kozak-2m1 offers protection equivalent to the NATO Stanag 4569 Level 2, sufficient to protect those insides from 7.62 x 51 mm ball ammunition fired at a range of 30 meters, as well as hand grenades and anti-personnel explosives. The nearly 14-ton kozak-2m1 is operated by a crew of 2 and be capable of transporting at least 6 troops in full combat gear, depending on the requirement. Powered by a diesel engine capable of generating more than 280 HP, the all-wheel drive platform, which will feature an independent suspension system, is expected to reach a top speed of more than 110 km per hour. The Kozak-2 is a 4x4 multi-purpose, wheeled, armored combat vehicle designed and manufactured by Ukrainian defense company NPO Practika to meet the mission needs of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, the National Guard, and the Border Guard Service. The Kozak-2 is a 4x4 multi-purpose, wheeled, armored combat vehicle designed and manufactured by Ukrainian defense company NPO Practika to meet the mission needs of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, the National Guard, and the Border Guard Service. The vehicle is intended to offer enhanced security for the Ukrainian troops. It can be configured for patrol, reconnaissance, mobile command post, ambulance, cargo, repair, maintenance, and special operations. Development, orders, and deliveries. Practika developed 2 versions of the Kozak based on the Eurocargo 4x4 truck chassis developed by Iveco, a manufacturer of light, medium, and heavy commercial vehicles based in Italy. The base version of Kozak was unveiled in August 2009. A Kozak-2 prototype vehicle underwent tests in November 2014 and a further modified version was demonstrated in March 2015. A Kozak-2 production vehicle was presented during the SITDEF 2015 International Exhibition of Technology for Defense and Prevention of Natural Disasters held in Peru in May 2015. The National Guard of Ukraine received the first batch of 11 kozak-2 armored vehicles in July 2015. Kozak-2 armored personnel carrier design and features. The kozak-2 armored personnel carrier features a V-shaped armored hull. It can accommodate 5 crew members and up to 11 personnel in blast-resistant seats. The vehicle has a length of 6.44 meters, a width of 2.5 meters, a height of 2.65 meters, a wheelbase of 3.24 meters, and a gross vehicle weight of 15,000 kilograms. The front section is fitted with 4 doors with bulletproof glass windows, 2 on either side of the cabin and 2 in the troop compartment. Two large rear doors with bulletproof vision blocks and firing ports are provided, which provide the personnel with quick access to the troop compartment. Each side has 3 vision blocks and firing posts. The baseline version of the Kozak is equipped with a GPS navigator, air conditioning unit, rear camera, electric winch, and a device for radiation and chemical reconnaissance. Armament. The kozak-2 armored combat vehicle features a roof hatch with a ring mount for the installation of 7.62 mm and 12.7 mm caliber machine guns, or 30 mm, 40 mm automatic grenade launchers. Survivability features. The kozak-2 offers ballistic protection for the occupants up to STANAG 4569 Level 2 against 7.62 x 51 armor-piercing rounds. It can withstand a mine blast explosion of 3 kg TNT. The vehicle is intended to offer enhanced security for the Ukrainian troops. The crew survivability is further enhanced by the installation of bulletproof glass blocks around the weapons mount. Engine and performance of kozak-2 armored vehicle. The vehicle is powered by an Iveco Tector 6-cylinder, 6L turbo engine, coupled to a ZF, 6-speed manual gearbox. The engine produces an output power of 279 horsepower and generates a maximum torque of 950 Nm at 1,250 revolutions per minute to 2,100 revolutions per minute. A servo shift system is fitted to the gearbox to facilitate easy gear changing. A 2-speed torque transfer box reducer provides better traction to both the front and rear axles. The propulsion system offers increased off-road mobility. The vehicle is also fitted with parking sensors, 365/80 R20 wheels, and an anti-lock braking system. ABS. The kozak-2 has a road speed of 120 km per hour and a cruising range of 1,000 km. Its approach and departure angles are 50 degrees and 45 degrees respectively. It has a fording depth of 1.4 meters and a ground clearance of 392 mm and can climb obstacles up to 35 degrees.